What would you do if a very bad person moved into your neighborhood and caused trouble? That's what happened in our book, Scrawny Olofat and the Ogre. A mean, man-eating ogre moved near Olofat's village and helped himself to the villagers.
What?
Here's how the story begins. Olofat was a scrawny young lad with a scrawny chest and scrawny arms and legs like whittled timber. So lean was he, you could trip him with a cat's tail. Because Olofat never seemed to get any fatter or brighter, the youth called him Village Idiot.
Whoa.
Day after day, when Olofat passed by, they taunted him.
What?
But Olofat showed a person's character makes the person, not his appearance.
Yeah.
His people found out when Olofat tricked the ogre and saved his village. How did Olofat do it? The answer is in our Scrawny Olofat and the Ogre book. See you in our next Breakout. With a good book, God bless.